Hello everyone, this is Mishwar. Okay, so as you all know, this is the world of madness. So welcome to the world of madness. I think all of you are well with the grace of Almighty Allah. That's not the thing. Okay, let's just start a story with uh, a goodness or something like a good story. So you think why words are matter? What matters? Okay, words are really connected with your hearts. Words are really connected with your God. Words are really connected with the divine thing. So whenever you try to understand a word, you will get to know that your God is the most beautiful or is like merciful one. Okay, so that's why words are very important. So whenever you try to understand a word, just think about how your words are created around you. Okay, the God how actually creates it. Okay, so that's the thing. So next one. So this is the word abscission. Abscission is like abscission is like related with scissor. Abscission scissors. Scissor we know that the use always used to cut pieces, cut separate something that is called okay. Abscission is here. Abscission means the act of cutting the natural separation of a leaf or another part of a plant. So by seeing the word, you can see this is a noun, that act of cutting. Or the verb one is we'll discuss later. Okay, later slide. Okay, so abscission word. How you can understand the word? How can you can describe someone that who is not able to understand the word at first view? Okay, so you can say that we are talking about the scientific mission. So here's we are talking about a scientific mission. So what is scientific? When you see something scientific, that means they are related with lab projects, they are related with deep study, research work. Okay, mission is like related with one. Whenever you go on a mission, you have to identify the information, you have to know the information, you have to understand certain people, you have to understand certain location information, and that's why mission works. Okay, scientific mission is also the same. Which plants are okay, which plants you need to be cut, and how to be cut. These are the missions what included. Okay, so we are talking about the scientific mission where we must cut the barks or leaves to make the perfect color combination. So here is a we're talking about the barks or leaves, or it's like we know that leaves what is like green color leaves. Okay, leaf is the here leaves is the plural form of leaf. Okay, so you want to make a color for your dyeing the cloth or something fabric to make a color combination, so you need to cut the barks or cut the leaves to experiment on that. Also that's why I'm saying that we're talking about the scientific mission where we must cut the barks or leaves to make the perfect color combination. That is the thing. So this is not a very difficult one. Okay, you can easily understand the sentence. Okay, that's the thing. So okay, so first why I'm saying this, because I make this sentence just to make the word understandable. So abscission is like one. So you can now understand this word, and the process of it's like here I use the cut the birds. There is like act of cutting. Everything's every process is in a like when you cut something, there is something need to be followed, and something need to be maintained. There's kind of things like cutting the birds or leaves. Okay, that's the thing. Another one is abscise. Abscise is the verb, which is abscission we discussed before, to cut off or away. The surgeon abscised a small growth on the patient's hand. This is the sentence, and which is the magical sentence. Sorry, this is not the magical sentence. This is the sentence, actual sentence. How can you use abscise word in a sentence? Okay. Now I'm talking about the scientific research program, which is a magical line. We are talking about the scientific research program where we need to cut some leaves for the experiment. Same as before, just here is the difference between the parts of speech. It's a verb and another one is a noun form. Okay, so abscond. This is the very important word. Abscond is not like the secret depart. It's like to depart secretly. That means someone is taking your money and just flew away. Okay, fly away, or like is what kind of say that a fugitive person who does kind of such kind of things. Okay, if you know the fugitive, who is fugitive? Is it the you can say a betrayer, a cheater, such kind of things. So although a cheater does this kind of abscond types of work. Okay, so depart secretly. How can you understand that? What is the magical line? This is the I'm looking for a billionaire. I'm looking for a billionaire that from second century to run away with his money. That is the thing. Abscond is also meaning run away with money. That is called the run away with the property, run away with something. That is called the meaning suggesting. So Here's the magical line so you can understand. Then are you trying to abscond? Are you trying to depart secretly? That was the thing someone asking. Okay, that's the thing, abscond. I hope you understand the word. So you can understand, learn word many ways. Okay, that's up to you, but here is a good thing. Okay, augment. Augment is like to enlarge or increase. To and you see, we always use the augmented reality, augmentation, augmentative. This is the words for families. Okay, so you heard about augment. It's like you heard about August, you heard about affluent environment, this kind of augment. Okay, so what does it mean? To enlarge or increase. If you want to use the increase word, and if you want to rephrase the increase by something, you can use augment. Okay, augment it. I tried to augment it but failed many times. Okay, so here I use something very harsh truth, that is like a universal truth of garment industry. So what is garment industry? Where actually fabrics modified into garments. That is like wearing apparel industry. That is like we are using the clothes, whatever we are using now, like t-shirts, jeans. These are the garment industry products. Okay, a universal truth of garment industry. As per data, it is clearly visible. So according to data or as per data, both are same. As per data, it is clearly visible. It is clearly shown to the intellectuals. Intellectuals is like someone who actually research on something deeply. There is like intellectuals. That the increase of garment industry. There is like the rise of garment industry. The rising of garment industry. Here, increase is a noun. Okay, or garment industry, making us more dependable to the Western world. So that is what suggesting. This is alarming. This is suggesting that something is happening because of the increasing of garment industry. So I'm not saying that you have to understand in reality way, but it is a truth, and you can understand the augmented reality. You heard about this word, so I try to make the word relevant with that. Okay, so that's come to my mind on how I'm trying to pass. Okay, that's it. Okay, so you can understand the augment easily. You have, there is no kind of hassling situation. You see the word and learn the words, sorry, see the word and learn the spelling, and then learn the meaning, and then learn the magical line, then everything clearly visible to you. Everything was crystal clear to you. That's the thing. August. So I have forgot the word to describe. Okay, that's the thing. Thank you for having for learning. Thank you for hearing my voice. I actually not able to show my face at this time because I'm a lazy person. I'm a bit lazy. I'm kind of lazy person. So that's it. I think you will learn this very effectively, and try to understand this, and try to share this, and whoever feeling they are not actually able to understand that difficult thing in easy way. That's it. Thank you.